We have seen meaning of bank reconciliation statement, then causes of difference between cash book and passbook, then the preparation of cash book under favorable balance method. Okay, so what are the causes of difference between cash book balance and bank passbook balance? Hanna, causes of difference between cash book and passbook.
Include but not seconded for payment.
Okay.
Check deposited into bank, but not credited.
Okay. Remaining, Aparna.
So bank charges interest on overdraft debited to passbook. Then
Yes.
the interest dividend collected credited by the bank. Then direct deposit into the bank by the trader's customer.
Okay.
Then check deposited or bill dishonored.
Okay. So now we will do the problem. Question number 11. So now you have to write in your notebook overdraft balance. Overdraft balance. So now favorable balance is over. This is over. If it is cash book debit balance, passbook credit balance, that is deposit. Now we have to unfavorable balance. So there is overdraft balance. You have to write overdraft balance. Down you write if it cash book credit balance, passbook debit balance means overdraft balance. Cash book credit balance and passbook debit balance. That it means overdraft balance. Now we will start the problem. 11th one, overdraft shown as per cash book. So overdraft balance only. So heading bank reconciliation statement, bank reconciliation statement, as on closing date, that date you have tried 31st December on the basis of your question 2014. So first overdraft balance as per cash book, overdraft balance as per cash book. So if it is a deposit balance, we are writing in the plus item column. If it is overdraft, that you have to write in the minus column. That is only a difference, remaining same. Okay, overdraft balance minus item. Now each causes bank charges debited in the passbook, bank charges debited in the passbook. So plus or minus, Sharath, bank charges debited in the passbook. So here overdraft as per cash book it is given. So you have to look cash book whether it will increase or decrease. If it is increase, minus. If it is decrease, plus. So you tell bank charges debited in the passbook.
Cash book increase minus.
Yeah, very good. Sharat Anil. Bank charges, so passbook decrease, cash book increase, so minus. Second one, interest on overdraft. Interest on overdraft debited in the passbook. Debited in the passbook. Interest on overdraft debited in the passbook. Tomlin, plus or minus? Plus or minus, Tomlin?
Sir, plus.
Tomlin, debited in the passbook means passbook increase or decrease?
Passbook increase.
Yes. Debited in the passbook means passbook decrease. I said opposite only. Cash book debit means receipt. Whatever we are debiting in the cash book, that we will credit in the passbook. Bank will credit in the passbook. Okay, opposite only. Cash book debit, passbook credit. Okay, here debited means amount will decrease, passbook decrease, cash book increase, so minus. Okay. Next, third one, checks issued but not presented for payment. Checks issued but not presented for payment, but not in cash, no means not presented for payment, but not in cash also you can write it. Tomlin, you tell. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Here you have to look at cash book. Increase or decrease. If it is increase, minus. If it is decrease, plus. Checks issued, cash book, increase or decrease, then opposite you have to do.
Share increase, check plus.
Check issued, check given, check drawn.
Passbook decrease.
Okay, so you have to study the courses. Okay, checks issued, first courses you have to look. Cash book decrease. Cash book decrease. I said, suppose check issued. We purchased goods on credit from any person, or purchased goods from any person, and we given the check. Okay, then our cash book, we will minus that amount. But he didn't present that check into our bank for collecting the amount. Okay, so cash book decrease, so plus. Next, interest on investment collected by the bank and credited in the passbook. Interest on investment credited in the passbook. Interest on Atul, interest on investment credited in the passbook. You have to look at cash book, then increase or decrease, then opposite. Interest on investment credited in the passbook.
Sir, cash book decrease.
Correct.
So it will increase minus.
Cash book increase, so minus. Very good. Okay. No, cash book decrease. You said that.
No, sir. Yeah, I said decrease.
Yes, cash book. Yes, interest on investment credited in the passbook means passbook increase, cash book decrease. Cash
Decrease.
means plus. Next, last, check paid into bank but not cleared. Checks paid into bank but not cleared. Checks paid into bank but not cleared, but not collected. Anila, plus or minus?
Minus.
Yes, minus. So now you have to look, minus column is more. So overdraft balance as per passbook. Overdraft balance as per passbook. So here plus item is less, there you have to write which side is less. Okay, next one, 13th one, 12th symbol only that you can do. Bank reconciliation statement. And so on. Cash book showed an overdraft balance. So, overdraft balance as per cash book. Overdraft balance as per cash book. So it is a minus item because it is overdraft. Next, debited by bank on account of interest on overdraft and account of charges for collecting bill. So interest on overdraft together, because both it is the same effect only. So that's why I am writing together, otherwise we can write separately. So interest on overdraft and collecting charges, okay, both it is the same effect, that's why together. Suppose if it is telling that remaining is which one, dividend credited, means separate you have to write. Here means both the same effect, interest on overdraft and collecting charges, debited in the passbook, debited in the passbook, debited in the passbook. Karthik, plus or minus?
Minus.
Yes. Check drawn. Checks drawn means checks issued. Checks drawn but not encashed. Okay, check drawn but not encashed. Otherwise, check issued but not presented for payment. Annette, plus or minus?
Surplus.
Okay. Then bank collected interest and credited in the passbook. Interest credited in the passbook. Femina, plus or minus?
Surplus.
Yes. Next, bills receivable discounted, dishonored. Pavitra, bill discounted with the bank but dishonored. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Yes. Fast. It's the checks paid into bank but not collected. Aditya, checks paid into bank but not collected. Plus or minus? Atul,
Sir, decrease.
check paid, check deposited. Cash book?
Sir, cash booking increase.
Yes. So what we have to do? Minus.
Minus.
Okay. Over. So here also minus is more. If it is plus is more, means favorable balance. Overdraft balance as per passbook. Now, unfavorable balance of the passbook. So first question. So little, you have to give little more concentration on 14th question. It is simple. So here, overdraft as per passbook. So heading, bank reconciliation statement. As on 31st December 2014. First, overdraft balance as per passbook, not cash book. In this question, you have to look passbook, whether passbook increase or decrease. It is given down 20,000. Then, first course, the payment of the check. The payment of the check was recorded twice in the passbook. The payment of the check was recorded twice in the passbook. The payment of the check recorded twice in the passbook. Okay, so we know that cash book receipt side, what we are writing, that it will come deposit side, payment side, that it will come the withdrawal side. So cash book debit, passbook credit means deposit, cash book credit, passbook debit means bank overdraft balance. So here they said the payment side of the check was payment. Suppose receipt side 10,000. Receipt side deposit 10,000. Payment 550. Payments 550 only. That we recorded twice. Two times we recorded the payments. Then our passbook increase or decrease. So to find out the balance, 10,000 minus 550 minus 550. Correct only how much only? Only 550 you have to minus. Only 550 you have to minus. Then our passbook balance will be more. But they recorded twice. Two times they recorded. So passbook decrease or increase, Sharath Anil?
Sir, decrease.
Decrease, correct. Okay, payment side recorded twice. Suppose deposit recorded twice means passbook increase, but payment side or withdrawal column or payment side recorded more means our passbook will decrease. Okay, that you have to think. Okay, so passbook decrease, so plus passbook decrease, so plus. Next, withdrawal column of the passbook undercast. Withdrawal column of the passbook undercast. So what is this point? Withdrawal column of the passbook undercast. Less amount only. So correct withdrawal column is more. So suppose, example, withdrawal column of the passbook undercast. Correct payment is, withdrawal amount is 1000. Correct withdrawal amount is 1000. So then balance will be 9000. But what they did undercast. They wrote only 500. Undercast, withdrawal column undercast means, so our passbook will increase. First case, payment 2 times we wrote, so our balance will be less. Passbook will decrease. But here means withdrawal column of the passbook undercast. Undercast. So which one? So 500 only. Correct 1000 we wrote only 500. So our passbook will increase. Suppose withdrawal column overcast. Withdrawal column overcast means like payment side. Record more means our passbook will decrease. Withdrawal column undercast, then passbook will increase. But if you suppose deposits column overcast, deposit column overcast means overcast, more deposit we wrote, so our passbook will increase. Deposit column undercast means our passbook will decrease. Okay. Okay. So deposits column overcast. Overcast means passbook increase. Suppose deposits column undercast, passbook decrease. Okay, so same effect, deposits and passbook. But withdrawal column overcast. Withdrawal column overcast means passbook decrease. Then withdrawal column, I am telling only about passbook. Undercast, withdrawal column undercast means passbook increase. Okay, then cash book, you know, receipts column overcast means cash book increase. Receipts column undercast means cash book decrease. Payment side overcast means cash book decrease. Payment side undercast means cash book increase. Okay, this is related to passbook. Then cash book, you know, receipt side. Okay, any doubts? So withdrawal column of the passbook undercast means so our passbook will increase minus. Next, third one. Check debited in the bank column of the cash book, but it was not sent to the bank at all. Means a check paid into bank. Check debited in the bank column. Check debited. Cash book means check deposited. Check debited in the cash book. but not sent to bank for depositing. Okay, check debited in the cash book. We got check from any customer, so our cash book will increase, passbook decrease, passbook decrease. Check debited, you look at that cash book debit, what is receipt, deposits. Okay, we got the check and we returned the cash book, but we didn't give that check to the bank for recording the transaction. Fourth one. Check deposited but dishonored. So dishonor, you know, passbook decrease, so plus. But I didn't write one more, fourth one. Look, a check debited to the bank column of the passbook. Look, a check debited to the bank column of the passbook. Bank column of the passbook. Debited. You look debited in the passbook. But you look that here it is wrong. Omit bank column of the passbook has been omitted. You write that word, not sent to the bank, not that. Has been omitted. Has been omitted. Has been omitted to be recorded in the cash book. Has been omitted to be recorded in the. I will write it. Check debited in the passbook, but passbook, check debited in the passbook has been omitted to be, has been omitted to be recorded in the cash book. Okay, they debited in the passbook. Check debited in the passbook. So passbook we know. Passbook increase or decrease? Aparna, debited in the passbook.
Sir, decrease.
So I moved the same. Okay, 300. Sorry. Minus is more. Overdraft balance as per cash book. $18,650. $20,350 it is given. Check debited in the, okay. 200, 300, okay. Check this on 500, 300. Okay, next video we will continue. Thank you.